Good morning, guys. It is about 9:55 on Friday here in Slidell. I'm off a Pontchartrain right now, about to go look at a house that's got tornado damage. A lot of insurance claims are getting made. A lot of people are going to be getting new roofs, and there's a lot of contractors in town that I don't recognize already. So we've got our local guys, but I'm seeing a lot of trucks, a lot of yard signs. I've never heard of these guys before. You know, maybe they are local and I just don't know everybody, but guys, please be careful. Please hire contractors that are local and they're here in St. Tammany Parish, or, you know, even Jefferson or Orleans Parish, where you can verify that the people you're hiring, they live here, they're not going anywhere. 5 years from now, they're still going to be here to service that warranty. Also, make sure they're giving you a fortified roof. Do not pay $1 over your deductible. You have to pay your deductible. That's just the way it is. But do not pay $1 over your deductible, and make sure that they're giving you a fortified roof at no additional cost, because these insurance claims, there's plenty of money in them. The contractors, including myself, are making very healthy profit margins when it's insurance claims, and we absolutely have enough room in our margin to give homeowners a fortified roof. Make sure you're getting permits pulled. It's not a suggestion, it's a requirement by St. Tammany Parish. Make sure you get that permit so you get the certificate of completion from St. Tammany or from City of Slidell, and make sure that you are getting a fortified roof when your contractor comes and does your insurance restoration work. And do not pay any more than your deductible, and make sure that they're a local company here to Southeast Louisiana that's still going to be around to service that warranty within the next 5 years. All right, guys, that's just a little tip to watch out for yourself. Fortified roofs, it will save you a considerable amount of money on your insurance, and these contractors should be giving you fortified roofs at no money out of pocket. Plenty of profit. They can afford to do it. Make them do it. If they won't do it, we'll do it. Have a good day, guys.